that's what the line would be. Okay, I've actually seen a lot of walk now.
Away from the walls.
It is now.
Was the nightmare before Christmas, and all through the house. Not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings all hung by the chimney with care. When opened that morning would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads. Jack Skellington came here from Halloween Town. Please remain seated in your black Christmas sleigh. We will continue your holiday journey momentarily. Nothing here was forgotten. It all looked so pleasant. A pumpkin Jack says makes a fine Christmas present. Jack's this was golden sun. So bring out the bells, there's more cheer to uncover.
That love and romance may succeed. On the first day of Christmas, my good love gave to me a star, a brilliant star for my fortune card tree. On the 9th day of Christmas, my good love gave to me 9 magic crystals that sparkle with the force what is pure. Each holds a knowledge that answers the truth that is sure.
Wish you were scared.
We're bringing your cheer. Please hurry back. We can't wait till next year. And I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight.
This world forgets my Christmas night.
Hurry back. Hurry back. Be sure to bring your Santa Claus hat.